Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Welcome to English Club. Today I'm going to do a quick quiz to check your knowledge of the English language. Question 1. Is English the language which is spoken as a first language by most people in the world?
Of course it is.
Incorrect. Chinese is. Question 2. Does English have the largest vocabulary?
Yes, with approximately 500,000 words and 300,000 technical terms.
Yes, spot on. This is due to the openness of the English language. English has borrowed words from many other languages.
Yeah, if there weren't so many words, it would be easier for us to master it.
Ha ha! But the simplicity of form makes English easy to learn. Many English words have been simplified over the centuries. Now, question 3. Who can tell me an English word that can operate as a noun, a verb, and an adjective?
I think the word subject can operate as a noun, a verb, and an adjective.
Excellent. In English, the same word can operate as many parts of speech. That's due to its flexibility. Question 4. What is the longest word in English which has only one vowel?
Is it length?
No, I think it's strength.
That's right, V. Lastly, question 5. Who can tell me at least 3 varieties of English?
American English, Australian English, and, yes, Indian English.